Hello, guys. Welcome back to
The CGI Guy.
so it's May of 2020. Actually, no, it's November 16th right now. But it was May. It was May 2020 this year.
I am officially declaring a national emergency. Two very big words.
You're in the middle of quarantine, and you're just having the time of your life. Honestly, um, sarcasm, and I wanted to. I've been writing a book for about the past 3 years, and I realized that, well, a director isn't just going to pick it up and be like, hey, I want to make this kid a star.
Come on, man.
But the thing is I realized that the possibility of a director picking up my book and being like, boom, shabam, I want to make that happen, realize that that's very low. So what I'm going to do is I watched this video by Austin McConnell, I think his name was, and he made a video on how to make your own Pixar movie, and then he made like this movie, little short film, like 48 hours. Wasn't really that good, but for like a person who doesn't do art like that, a person who doesn't know how to rig, doesn't know how to do all those shots and stuff, he did really well actually. And so I was like, man, I could do that. I could learn my own. And then I found this thing called Blender. Blender is literally can do anything. It is one of the most incredible 3D softwares there is, and it's free. And it's free. That makes it even better. And so, since it's free, since it's that amazing, I realized that I didn't just have to write a book and have a director be like, hey, I want to make that. I could make my own movie. I am in the process of making a movie right now and a short film in Blender, but I've only been using it for about 6 months, and I'm still not that good. Here's some of my renders that I made. I've made maybe more than two handfuls of renders. I've made a lot of projects like a cabin and a shack and a procedural eyeball, just little stuff like that. But I wanted to do more. Dang it! I wanted to do more! So my idea was, well, I'm going to follow at least 1 to 4 Blender tutorials every day for the next 3 months. And I will be trying to post a video every day for the next 3 months. And I'm basically going to like watch the tutorial and follow it, try to make it funny. But this is for the purpose that it is insane how quick that you can learn CGI. It is absolutely incredible. So that's all I'm going to say for today. Please follow, subscribe, do whatever the heck you want. I'm just here to have fun and make cool, weird CGI stuff. So see you later, nerds.